Ooh, shiny, 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 shiny. Up, good people? It's Victoria Alexandra here. First of all, if you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I recently purchased some things from Colourpop and I wanted to use them, one of them being the Uh-Huh Honey palette. It's not a review, I just wanted to film a look using the palette, and this is what I got. So if you are interested in seeing how this was created, just keep on watching. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Buzzkill, which is, it appears brown, but it's really like a dirty yellow.
What?
That's the best way that I can describe it. And I'm just packing it on my lid. The next shade that I'm using is Totally Buggin'. I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette and take that brown, just a little bit of it. I just want, just because I want a deeper brown, and that Buzzkill is really like a dirty yellow, a dirty mustard yellow. I'm just gonna stay in the crease area with it. Just about to cut my crease. Have y'all listened to Chance the Rapper's album? I love it a lot. My favorite song on there is 5-Year Plan. I really like that song. Y'all know what's annoying? Anytime I do a cut crease, one side is always higher than the other. I don't understand.
I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. I don't understand, bitch.
She's just going to go back into Totally Buggin' and blend out the outer edge. Are any of y'all watching Orange is the New Black? I think I'm on episode 5 now. I'm just bracing myself, trying to take it slow because I know this is the last season. This is the ending of the great era. So I'm just taking my time because I know the waterworks are coming. I know that I'm going to be crying. So your girl just trying to pace it. All right, so for my first lid color, I'm gonna take Sunburst. Can y'all see that? It's really pretty. The next lid color I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna place that in the middle, is going to be Dandy. Alright, so I'm gonna do a thin line with my Epic ink liner. The NYX Epic ink liner. I think I found my new favorite wash and go combo. Like, this is the best my hair has ever looked in a wash and go. Even my heat damaged side over here looks amazing. So I think I'm gonna film that for you guys real soon so y'all can see, you know, the new products that I'm loving so far. I'm gonna take the NYX glitter primer on this little Real Techniques liner brush. I'm gonna go into Palooza, which is this glitter shade. I think it's just like a pressed glitter though, and I'm just gonna place that on top of where I just placed that glitter primer. Alright, so I'm I'm gonna take this NYX white liner. I'm just gonna place 3 dots along the crease. Alright, see the little dots? They're not quite the same, but I'm gonna make it work. And I'm just gonna go over top of that black liner and glitter. Just gonna outline the top part of it. Alright, so I also got the Colourpop BFF mascara in black on black. I stopped by the Morphe store and I saw these flutter lashes in the style Captivating, and that is what I'm going to be wearing today. Alright, so basically I did that glitter for nothing, but it doesn't matter. Alright, so I went and did my full face off camera. Now I'm just going to do my highlighting and my lips because I got some new stuff from Colourpop. So for highlighter, I ordered the Shayla, well, one of the Shayla highlighters in the shade Boomin'. So that's what I'm gonna use for my highlighter today. Oh, that is pretty.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ooh, shiny, 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 shiny. Alright, so for lips today, I ordered the BFF4 pencil from Colourpop. This is also a part of Shayla's Colourpop line. This is a part of her Proceed with Caution line. So I'm just gonna line my lips with BFF4. Alright, so I ordered one of Shayla's lipstick in the shade Quickie. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. Oh, that's a little bright. Also, and I know this is old, but I also got Netta, one of the lip glosses from LAKEY's Colourpop line or collection. Not really feeling it.
Not today.
Alright, so I wasn't really feeling that lip, so I went ahead and relined my lips with Max Chestnut and just went over it with the Desi Katie Dose of Color collection lip gloss and over the top. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.